How to mute a Discord server on mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, navigate to the server that you want to mute. Say for example, I want to mute this one right here. Once you are on this page right here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of this window. And from there, click on notifications at the bottom. And you will get to this page right here, in which you'll be able to see that the first option says mute this server. So click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will get this window at the bottom from which you'll be able to choose a period for how long you want to mute the server, or you can choose the last option that says until I turn it back on. And once you do that, the server will be muted. So as I said, it's very easy and simple. That was it for this video. That's how you can mute servers on Discord Mobile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.